Hello my people. Una see the video wey be say I post, the one wey be say Esther write comment. Me I no believe oh. I can't see the waka, I can't see this husband oh. He still write something for there. Hey, you know say anyway me na know say husband and wife issue. I mo born when go, but me I just pray maybe say na something like maybe you know when you dey vex, you understand when you dey vex because husband and wife issue, you no go just say yes you don aware before you know they'll just say settle their self. I just pray maybe like that anyway. I just pray maybe like that because I don't know wetin I want to talk about this their issue for it. I no just know because you know why? If maybe na true, if maybe na true, because you can't say, but for me I no believe say it does just end like that. If maybe na true, the one wey dey house no sha o nedo agbima e ma hwe because you know why they talk Destiny na still young man, okay, 45 years. Not be say maybe don reach 50 something years, you know, because I believe say Edward they say don't pass 50 years, you know. Destiny fit decide say you want go marry Sisi Eko we never even drop. Not be lie oh. We never even drop. Now then you come dey see say ado afiekpa. Even that one wey enter house, e go come work am out. It dey happen because if you go really sit down look am, you see say this marriage wey be say Esther dey, e no dey for a husband house oh. Na no. So Edward supposed to dey happy. No be lie oh. If they happy, as I dey talk and many people they think say you agree make them marry join you agree make them she was not married before, okay? Because this one dey house, you dey for the man house, now you get the upper hand. Now understand? Now you get the upper hand, now you dey there, so nobody dey disturb you. I don't know whether now they understand. Destiny ya mwe Sisi Eko kebe super go carry hone not be lie oh. That one go one make dey husband house so to say na everybody dey marry go sit down for a house. No, even myself I don't know why I be say Esther marry come dey house. Maybe because of you just look and say okay, I no want ya no make I just dey my day. When my husband wants, he go come this side. He's no boy anyway sha. When I want, you know, my husband fit come, fit dey that side. Most of una way they talk and say you agree make them marry follow you. You agree make that's what they tell them marry for Nigeria. If they say make they really talk whatever. Any other one you marry, who are married go dey husband house. You go dey husband house, you not go dey house. No matter the house where you will get, you must come to that your house, that your husband house. And these two of them, they're not there for the same house. If not the same house, they come they will come. If not the same house, that make men they look and say, Edward for Tinko, say her, Esther, join me, marry my husband, make me and you they marry the man to they go like this, so because now know the way we may be, na the tamoma. Okbiya. Not be the one that they tell person. Yeah, I call one more year and then we just they carry 2 of us they go. Now if for good person, when you go enter another Sisi Eko now, only the owa where me o manu esa don't be lie no esa go say amu go yimo na yemo yo so why you saying e dey e dey when I marry or where you marry me so that one go come house. Now that time I be say Edward no can get peace of mind again. Not me now where be say she dey high say no get peace of mind. The woman not there with you. Woman peace of mind. I am more very So for those of una where they talk say ukwena marry ba ukwena maybe una not most of una not too much understand, una not too much know the history of their story. Destiny marry where Edward dey inside there. Now when they talk say karma is real. Karma is real. Karma is real. And we no me any we fia no ma o manya ni no we. abi una no know oma say nyami no we oma nyami no we nia. So sometimes me I believe say many people go happy about this thing wey be say like Esther dey house, that one the other woman dey iyo with her husband house. I don't know whether una go understand that your husband go come carry another woman now dey for the same house agbaro work pa. Now that one I be see on your gele all way no way. No be this one wey be say the other one dey this side, this one dey the other side. Yeah, me egbe, they don't dey see each other. Maybe they want go party, they fit see together. You know how many people go they happy like this? They. That way your husband go marry ovi okankere. Now that one I go come don't know do agbo you on self. And at the same house on a day. Now the same kitchen na go they use. Now that one I be really polygamous. Oh, not be like this one. Not be real, not be lie. Oh, not be lie. So me, I just pray maybe say now. You know, at the verse, now both of them tell this issue come out. May not be say really don't end like that. If you don't see end, problem not there. None of them lose. Okay, none of them lose. But now everyone I go the pity for. Now go the pity for later. You don't understand? Just the way we actually just the talk now. Because why? Destiny will not stand. It not go come. It not go stay. Not go stay. Oh. Now no say gap still there. The age even self is still there. Woman wey be say is senior you for 15 years. Now we dey talk now. You know what they call monopause? Monopause. Here they pay me. And man, the man now he need to enter me to, you understand? Touch your toes. Oh, gwale sikira here. Oh, gwale uya le kekia. No be lie. Oh. Now make us sometimes people they talk say age is a number. It get where it be number, not be everywhere it be number. It get where it be number. Because we women, when we don't reach that age where be say, offer for me, only female, you know understand now monopause, don't you know all those things. Man now and he's still young. He's still young. Or you need to know yeah where touch your toes, all those things you don't put. You now as a woman, you be like cold water. It happen, So now that one, now destiny go carry another of your hanefere. Now on your head of where for a while, the moment that job was in my worry man. Instead of everyone just come, say this woman not they stay with me with another for the same house. And give me a manage here, you know all those things. Give me a man or that female here. Anyway, I see pray maybe say, may job be say na. I not agree again, do your own, make I do my own, you know. I know say husband and wife, I remember one thing. But those of them where they happy they go now. So I talk it must come up for them. Husband and wife, I ain't about when they will quarrel today. They go feel bokbo, they go break everything. Tomorrow then you'll see say that they draw their hand, they go. They'll say, I be this on another day. Go say, oh go boy, I ain't here where you are. Not be lie. They call you put, not be our quarrel, we call now. So may we not just like they happy, they go say, I so much happy. I talk and say go leave that house. Where the jere way? When not me where you know my omanya you know we now person I get that house before she can enter. Okay? Then we me with fear no man way. So now be that one. So my people, may we they watch. Me I not just carry they like no. May we they watch because husband and wife issue. Not be waiting person like the chook mat put anyhow. I not come like say, hey, now I go for the other one. Oh, I they happy for you. I been because they feel settle at any time. I chook way. So not be waiting person even they happy people because if you reach your turn, I wanna remember say karma is real. Karma. Or maybe no young winner get as it take the work. Because the way we take they see the story. Anyway, my people, as I talk, if really say Esther no one do again, destiny, nothing says destiny goes stop for there. We there here. Okay, I know. And the woman senior and with 15 years. Oh yeah, when no may be on the more day on your head we wa. He said no I call him I push here. You ma push here. Why we and we are in the same place. What it can they cause the issue? I don't know. Una know what they cause the quarrel. Me, I don't know if una know me mind. I pray me the settle, shall me everything still go away again. Now bye bye.